Gotta unbox this camcorder. Ooh, it even came with a remote. Cool, right? Guys, today I'm gonna do this unboxing video. So guys, you gotta unbox this camcorder really carefully, okay? Here's what it came with. It came with that. I think this is the instructions. And also came with this. Ooh, it even came with a remote. Came with a charger. It came with this thing. I don't know. We'll unbox it. These are the stuff it came. It came with this. Even came with this. It even came with this. And this remote. And this one. And this one. It also came with this charger. And also now I'm unboxing the camera. This is the last one I took. And this is the camera. That looks like. Cool, right? Wait, and I even found a mic, guys. But at least I found this mic. I see the on button and off button. I see the off button, but where's the on button? So guys, you never touch the screen, okay, of the camera. You never touch the front, okay? And you can't put your finger there when you're taking pictures. The power button, the on button. Take the battery out and then put it the other way, okay? So guys, here's the way it's supposed to do. And this is the lock for the battery. Now you put it back in. There's this thing to hold the camcorder, okay? Now I'm going to take the memory card out. This is a memory card. This is where our videos are stored. So open the battery compartment. Okay, how do we open the battery compartment? So you see the square here? Take a closer look. See that square there? Do you want to make the memory card the same size like the square, okay? Okay, done. Getting an error for the card, okay? Yeah, we'll format the memory card. So guys, I'm using the mic now and pretty cool, right? So guys, this is the camera lid, okay? Check it out. And this is the remote that I'm using. I'm connecting it to the lid so like that doesn't go anywhere.